Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can reconcile the bank in Xero. Or how you can do the bank reconciliation. So what you want to do is when you're in a dashboard, you want to go reconcile whatever items that you're going to see here. When you're going to click on it, you're going to see all the options that you can reconcile, and then you have option to just press OK here. So for example, this more details 1000. Click OK. Now you can see between like what is the match here, and then you can like try to search for transactions, right? So we can go like also even write here by invoice, right? And then I just choose it. And then you're gonna select total is out, so like not this one. So I don't know, I can choose this one here. I'll just edit this. And when the price is the same, when it's matching, I can simply reconcile again. And voila, we got it, right? So what you can do also, you can create a new transaction. When you're here, create. For the count, you can choose like why, because you can also add details here if you want to. And okay, we gotta reconcile that too. And this is pretty much it how you do it. So you can enter the new transaction, you can match it, or just press OK, which is going to be automatically added to your Xero banks here. And yeah guys, if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. These things are really like not that hard to understand. And yeah. Thank you very much and goodbye.